Today, we're adding a super fun audio feature to our interactive cube. Not only will we be able to click the cube, but it will now play a sound every time we do. This is a simple but really exciting way to make your game feel more alive. First, let's take a look at our cube setup. We're using a button for the cube so it can detect clicks. We colored it bright red and scaled it down slightly to make it cute and clickable. It's positioned in the middle of the scene, right at the origin. If we run the code now, we'll see the red cube just sitting there, looking ready for interaction. Now here comes the fun part, adding sound. We load an audio file, in this case a click sound, and set it to not autoplay, which means it will only play when we tell it to. Then we define a function that plays this sound whenever the cube is clicked. Finally, we connect this function to the cube's click event. Let's run it and see it in action. Click the cube, listen to that satisfying sound. Every click triggers the audio and it instantly makes the game feel more interactive and playful. In the next video, we'll explore more ways to bring your game world to life with interactivity and effects.